In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove smart chips in Google Sheets. If you're working in a spreadsheet and you've added a smart chip by mistake, or you simply want to clear it out and keep your sheet clean and simple, this is a very quick process. Smart chips in Google Sheets can include interactive items like people, files, dates, or other linked content. And while they can be useful, sometimes you just want to remove them from a cell. To get started, go to your Google Sheets, open the spreadsheet where the smart chip is located, and make sure you're on the correct tab if your file contains multiple sheets. It helps to take a quick look around your sheet first so you can confirm exactly which cell contains the smart chip you want to remove. Once you've found it, click on the cell with the smart chip you want to remove. This is important because you need to select the exact cell that contains the chip before making any changes. When the cell is selected, you should be able to clearly see that it's active and ready for editing. If your spreadsheet has a lot of content, take an extra second here to make sure you haven't selected the wrong cell, especially if several cells contain similar information. After the correct cell is selected, hit backspace on your keyboard. This removes the smart chip from the cell. In most cases, this is the fastest and easiest way to clear it out. If you're editing a sheet with shared data, just be aware that removing the chip also removes that content from the cell. So make sure that's what you intend to do before pressing the key. And that's it. As you can see, removing a smart chip in Google Sheets is very straightforward. You simply open your sheet, select the cell that contains the smart chip, and press backspace to remove it. A helpful tip before you finish is to quickly check the cell afterward to confirm the chip is gone and that the sheet looks the way you want. This is especially useful if you're cleaning up formatting or preparing the spreadsheet for sharing with someone else. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove smart chips in Google Sheets.